Hello everybody, welcome to Year 1 Phonics. Today we're going to have a look at the letter I, making the I sound. So not making an I sound today, making an I sound. So every time you see it, you have to say the I sound. So here are some words. Ild, mild. Find, find. Ild, wild. Grind, grind. Ind, mind. Pint, pint. Kind, kind. Child, child. Blind, blind. Now this has got yesterday's sound in as well. It's got the letter E, making the E sound. So B-E, ind, behind. And this one, mind, remind. Silent, silent. Spider, spider. Final, final. Pilot, pilot. Item, item. And last one, it's got the E sound again there. Idea. Okay, that's all the I words for now. Now I haven't got a sentence today. I thought today you could have a look and see which words rhyme with each other and put them in groups of rhyming words. If you want to do a sentence, you can, that's fine. Go and have a look on our home learning page to make sure that you've seen the games and how to go at playing some of them. They are quite difficult words, some of them, so if you don't know what they mean, remember to ask a grown-up. And I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.